Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm Gary, and today what we're going to be doing is using up the rest of what's in my winter garden. Normally when I would cook these stews, I would use marinara sauce, but it has oil in it, so I'm not going to be doing that. On the starch solution, it's no oil. So what I'm doing is I'm using paste picante sauce, which has no oil, with a combination of tomato paste, which also has no oil in it. For the starch in the video, I'm going to be cooking small baby potatoes, and after they're cooked, I'm going to be adding them to the saucepan. So that's what this video is about. So come see me cook this gigantic breakfast radish stew.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle. Ingredients: 4 cup rainbow chard, 4 cup purple kale leaves, 8 cups French breakfast radish leaves, 2 cups salsa, 4 small cans of potato paste, a large saucepan, stovetop cooked on high for 45 minutes, microwave your potatoes for 10 minutes or oven bake them for 50 minutes. Remove rainbow chard, purple kale leaves and French breakfast radish leaves and cut up into small pieces. Next, warm up the sauce, 2 cups of salsa and 4 small cans of tomato paste into a large pan on the stovetop. Next, add the chard and kale leaves to the sauce, and once cooked, then add the radish leaves. The leaves turn dark green when fully cooked. Next, place the cooked baby potatoes into the sauce and leaves and cook for an additional minute. Plate it and enjoy it.
Okay, so what we've done here, this is a combination of paste picante sauce. End up using about 40 small cans of Stater Brothers tomato paste. So it's all warmed up. This right here on this side is chard, and on the purple side it's the kale. So we're going to put that in first, and in the very last minute we're going to put in the radish leaves, which is really what this stew is about. Okay, so here goes. What I do is I fill it up and then you just push it into the sauce. I've got this set up on high. See the flames? And I'm pushing this into the sauce. Now, if the chard leaves, if it's cooked this way, it takes almost 30 minutes to 45 minutes to cook them through. It's a little bit faster with the kale. Now this will all disappear. I know it looks like a lot, but it isn't. So what we're going to do is we're just going to keep putting this in. I'll keep on shooting shots in between and show you how I do this. Okay, so we're stopping the video for now, and we'll see you in a little bit. What I'm doing now is just mixing it in one more time, and then I'm going to plate it and I'm going to show you what it looks like. There's going to be plenty left. I'm going to have to let it cool before I put it in the plastic bags, and as you know from my previous videos, I always freeze my food. But you can still see that, for example, this leaf right here, it's not completely cooked because it's not completely green yet, but most of it is done. And then I'll be adding this to other meals too. Okay, so here goes. So this is the finished plate, and now I'm going to show you eating it. Now over here, you can see on the stove, I'm going to turn off the heat because it's still cooking. And there's a lot here. There's going to be a lot for a lot of good meals. It makes a huge mess, so I'll probably be picking up the kitchen for quite a while. Alright, so let's see how it tastes. And the sauce, though I use a lot of picante sauce and a combination of water and the paste, it's just perfect. This is a starch solution meal. It does have potatoes, which is your starch, and it has fresh greens from my garden. Thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye now. It's a radish, kale, and chard stew that I made.
Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.